If you've ever made a mistake in Lucidspark and wanted to quickly undo it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo in Lucidspark using the fastest method, plus the on-screen buttons if you prefer clicking instead of using shortcuts. This is a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time when you're moving objects, drawing diagrams, or deleting content by accident. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, make sure your Lucidspark board is active. The easiest way to do that is to click anywhere on the board background so Lucidspark knows you're working inside the canvas. Once your workspace is selected, you can use the undo shortcut immediately. On Windows, press Ctrl+Z. On a Mac, press Command+Z. As soon as you do that, Lucidspark will reverse your most recent action. This could be anything from moving a sticky note, deleting an object, drawing a shape, or changing the layout of your board. If you made more than one mistake, you can keep pressing the same shortcut again and again to step backward through your actions one by one. That means you do not have to start over or manually rebuild everything. Just keep on doing until you get back to the version you want. Now, if you prefer using the mouse, Lucidspark also gives you an undo button on the interface. Look toward the bottom right corner of the canvas. There, you'll find the navigation toolbar, which usually includes zoom controls, a mini-map, and the undo and redo tools. In that toolbar, click the back arrow icon to undo your last action. It works the same way as the keyboard shortcut, just a little more visual and beginner-friendly. And if you undo something and then realize you actually wanted it back, Lucidspark also has a redo option. Just click the forward arrow icon next to the undo button, and it will restore the action you just reversed. This is especially helpful if you accidentally press undo too many times or change your mind while editing. So to quickly recap, the fastest way to undo in Lucidspark is Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. If you'd rather click, use the back arrow in the bottom right toolbar. And if needed, the forward arrow lets you redo your last change. Once you know both methods, editing in Lucidspark becomes much smoother and much less stressful. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.